hindi ko kino-compare ang Baguio sa La Trinidad, no? Though they have already this artistic or creative established na yung creative sectors nila sa Baguio, no? Wherein isa rin ako sa member doon. Hindi lang tayo naging active masyado din because we are from La Trinidad. And we would like also that the creative sectors of La Trinidad, kasi matagal na to na maraming gustong mag-propose, gumawa ng events, no? Cultural shows, singing, band, art symposium, and others. No? So, again, gusto rin natin ilagay sa mapa ng creative sector ang La Trinidad. Because we also have many talents here in La Trinidad. Do you agree or do you agree really? Diba? So, just like for example, in visual art, we have one of the famous solar painter artists, Mr. Jordan Mamosa. In terms of theater, no? In terms of theater, we have Ma'am Lynette Lipa. She is still active theater directress, community theater, cultural, no? Music. Our tourism officer himself is inclined with music. So there's so many talents, no? So ngayon pa lang, on your own sector represent area, at least meron tayo idea kung ano yun. Pwede naman cluster yan eh. Pwede yung dalawa o tatlong domains, pwede maging isa yan. Like in cultural, no? Tsaka yung science, pwede maging isa yan. Yung performing arts, pwede maging isa yan sa cultural. No? So, yung visual, pwedeng maging isa rin yan doon sa cultural. So, pwedeng maging cluster. So, nga 9 domains, pwede natin i-divide into 3 or 4. No? Para at least yung lahat ng domains ay masakop doon sa event na gagawin natin. So, are there any suggestions? Wala. Nabusog kayo lang ka. Mas na ko na yung hanggang alas 12 tayo panunod yung pinakatuloy na program. Okay, so anyway, nadati mapanunod yung adali mic na in the center ay mapalit tayo na suggest. Anyway, our secretary, Mr. Dean, is going to take notes all your suggestions and requests. Anyway, 200,000 na yung budget natin Hindi siya 2 million. Sana. hindi siya 2 million, 200,000. Nabali na madalbinan sa kanila. Any suggestions? Sige. Yes, Sarah. Sabi mo anong domain?
Kasi makikita ang description na makikita parang description of each parang halos na ang sa lahat. So like for example sa akin na parang sa arts and craft with operations and creative services, you're creating something. Tapos kung hindi mo binasa yung parang iba niya, nag-reply siya sa advertising. So if we could participate like the others, combine or in a way, like for example, in cultural size, pwede naman siya under traditional cultural expression. Suppose that it's supposed to be traditional. So, siguro yung performance day, yan is separate. Pero, so So for example, is halos pwede kang, halos lahat is pwede kang combine, lalo na is regarding cultural, unless of course you're going to separate it as arts and craft or plainly na craft lang siya. And meron naman tayo dito yung sa visual arts and craft na weekly. So hindi natin pwede include sa parang dito ng arts and craft. So if meron lang tayo yung parang fuse or combine yung iba yun, parang isipin mas nakakalito.
Yes, yun yung sinasabi ko, kahit na yung 9 domains, maging clustered siya. Kaya sinabi ko, yung cultural sites together with the cultural performances, pwede magsama yan. No? And then doon sa design, marketing, and visual events, pwede rin magsama yan. No? So, kung saan nakal itong ordinance na ito kasi, I believe it was under the RA 11904, wherein nung basahan na dito kaya inarang the Department of Trade and Industry. Yan. Kung nabasahan na dito, nagkasumay actually na per domain, like in visual, audiovisual media, nagkasumay ito, handa ka rin nakakarga actually. Yan. If I'm not mistaken, there are more than 36 sub-domains. Diyan the main domains itira ito yung isida ako na ito yun. So nga, din baga ni Sarens, and what we're proposing also, nga no the DJ per representative, per sectoral representative, nga nagkita kayong magbalik kayong cluster. No, kasi present na ito way back then, 2023. Yeah, I got, they would not questions me. Bakit parang madodoble-doble? Madodoble-doble. Actually, hampir ka nakasulat dito, dapat yung landscape artist, landscaping, kasama dito. Pero wala siya dito na nakalagay. No? But anyway, they get the babaga tayo nga every domains mabalin nga ang cluster na into 1, 2, or 3 into 1 domain. Kasi sisinagin ng tao. Sisinagin. Ako lahat ng mga kapanunod talaga because I hope na makapagdayo in the near future. But then again, adala ko looking forward kayo, lagi na itong mga karamihan tayo in the future. Dapat na paglugyan tayo. Anyway, April, May, June, July, August, September, meron pa tayo mga around 6 months. No? Pero mas maganda as early as now, meron tayong niluluto kumbaga. Niluluto kumbaga. So, again, don't be shy kasi this is our time. No, dito yung avenue, dito yung naulawagan tayo hindi gobyerno nga mag-i-release tayo, may pakita tayo, anyapay ba, nga haan lang at the MSME, na nagkakalakalako siya pagka may pagbagatan. Lako-lako lang no? I believe we have to elevate further na ganito'y products tayo. Kasi baka kung nayo makikita tayo nagiging visual arts painting lang. Basically, theater is an applied art. No? Visual at the same time, it's an applied art. Okay? Wherein your body is the medium. So, doon natin makikita na hana mga gusto ko na lang visual art nito, lang painting, sculpture, no? Unang karoon, pati landscaping. Kasama yan. So, you can, again, discuss among yourselves. Magbalik kayo mo na makikumpul dyan, ako yung mga katwayo. Just like this one, this is the performing arts. Magbalik na hindi visual, may nalilibot lang. Kasi hindi, ang teatro kailangan ng visual artist. Kailangan ng backdrop. kailangan ng installation artist. No? Kailangan niya ng graphic artist to do all the marketing and promotional materials. You see? So, mapalit ang cluster din ay tatlo. Uno dyan, upat nga niya ituwan. Mapalit ba? So, dito yung mga gustong sumali sa performing arts na gustong tumulong if they're going to create and produce one production or two productions. Ang pala mga na teatro ha, kasi performing arts ka ron. Kaya nga malawak. So, yung mga cultural, basta pa dito. Yan. Para you can discuss with them. No? And then, creative, digital, and audio-visual. Ay, nakalindihan? Audio niya. Ay, creative. Audio-visual. Ayan. Sino ba yung mga kasama dun sa audio-visual? Pwede kayo dito. At saka doon sa digital interactive. No? Dito. Sa table na to. And then, cultural science. Ayun. Cultural science and traditional cultural expressions. Pwede kayong magsama doon. Okay, so at least tatlo JD idea kaya tayo makuha, medyo lumawlawa kasi. Yan, lumawlawa. Handa ka na concentrate that domains na. Okay? So, we will give you a couple of minutes to discuss and formulate. Tatlo lang agad ipag-rugyan tayo, tatlo agad ikikitaan tayo. Yes? NG? NG? Yan.
So, Shakti NG Talyang from the visual sector. So, ikat po kung ano yung suggest after sale na idea for identity purposes. Right? So, may makita ka na dati yung magiging project ito nga. So, for example, Jollibee, McDonald's, Disney, yan yung pagkakaparents na. Agamit yung mascot ka. So, I suggest ko nga parang may magay ko yung design ng character, may itsura na, may tinaga na, may accessories na, tapos karami yung pag-promote ng identity lang nila. So that for example, no, nag-events kayo, alagin may pangkadewan na mascot. No, naging kalaga PowerPoints kayo, alagin go-to kayo ng character. Tapos in future events, alaman din kailangan na face of the creatives of that data. So yun, mascot po.
Okay, sige. Yung suggestion mo, anyway, naka-record naman yan kay Sir Dean, no? Actually, wala pa tayong logo, no? Para meron tayong representation din. Magandang suggestion ni Jay. Like in Baguio, we have the creative sector, meron sila, yung creative, meron silang ginawang logo nila doon, no? So, pwede rin naman natin gawin yun. 1 hour, then, submit tayo, then let's vote for kung ano yung magiging logo. At the same time, meron din tayong mascot, no? Para kung sakaling meron tayong municipal event, it's like the Strawberry Festival, Tourism Month Celebration, kasali tayo doon. During the parade or any representation na kailangan, meron tayo, at least meron tayong isang solid na makikita. But again, we will be giving you enough minutes to discuss and to collaborate. But before that, I'd like to pass the mic to Sir Badal.
Okay, so ganda, discuss kayo and make a list ng top 3 recommendations,